Welcome back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video we are going to make 3 ingredients puff puff. All right, so in my mixing bowl I'm going to add some warm water. I'm also going to add some sugar and also yeast, which is very important. It is going to help our butter to rise to a desirable or a desired consistency. So I'm going to make sure that I mix it very well before I go in with my flour. So when you are making a puff puff batter, what you have to do is to make sure that you don't get lumps in your batter. Okay, so you want to mix it very well to avoid any form of lumps. It is also going to help the gluten in your batter to form very well. So if today is your first time coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed already but you enjoy what I'm doing, click on that subscribe button. Thank you. All right, so at this point my butter is just perfect and I'm going to cover this, leave it in a warm place for about 45 to 1 hour and then go for it. So after 45 minutes, this is our dough or our batter and it's ready. So let me show you how easy you can going to do this. Between your index and your thumb finger, just scoop through and you are going to get the perfect size and the shape for your puff puff. Okay, this is the easiest way that you can do or you can go. All right, so I'm just trying my oil and now it's ready for me to fry. So through my thumb and index finger I'm going to scoop my puff puff butter and then leave it to fry. So you want to note that puff puff needs a lot of oil because we are deep frying this and we need a lot of oil. Okay, so if your puff puff doesn't turn on its own, just turn it yourself. It is not bad at all, but normally it's going to turn on its own, but if it doesn't, turn it yourself. All right, so if you're still watching me at this time and you're still not part of this wonderful family and you really enjoy what I'm doing and appreciate this video, don't forget, click on that subscribe button, turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. All right, so thank you very much for being part of this family. Don't forget to like, share, comments. Thank you. So guys, at this point our puff puff is done and what I'm going to do is to bring it off the oil. I'm going to leave this on a kitchen paper and it's going to help me drain some oil from my puff puff, or it's going to help drain the oil from the puff puff so that I can enjoy it without too much oil. All right, so I'm going to show us how it came out, and this came out so beautifully yummy, and you want to try this at home. All right guys, so thank you for joining me today. I really love and appreciate you guys so much. Stay safe, be nice, be kind, get enough rest. So until I come your way again next time, it's bye.